We talked a little bit about the brain last time. Let's quickly review what we learned, and then I will add one more thing. So, the brain is made up of how many parts? Do you remember? Well, it is divided into three parts: the brainstem, the cerebellum, and the brain itself. The brainstem connects our brain with the rest of our body. The cerebellum is responsible for maintaining balance and directing the movement of our entire body. It also ensures that these movements are carried out in a very coordinated and accurate manner. Finally, the brain is divided into two parts: the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere. These two hemispheres are connected to each other through a structure called corpus callosum, allowing information to pass from the left to the right, or from one hemisphere to another. The left hemisphere is dominant in most people. What is it responsible for? It is responsible for the most logical aspects of thinking, such as math, speaking, or writing skills. Now let's talk about the right hemisphere. What is it responsible for? The right hemisphere is responsible for most of our creative thoughts, such as our imagination, music, or paintings, and also the most emotional or intuitive reactions to fear and joy. As you can see, the brain controls and regulates most of the vital functions of our body, but also our thoughts, our memory, and our emotions. There is one very important thing that I have not told you about our brain. Let's see, what is that? That is, the more we use it, the better it works. So, now that you know, we should all go to read and learn. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you use it, the better it will be. Okay, and before we end, one last thing is the importance of rest. Even though our brains do not sleep, when we sleep and they are still active, parts of the brain can get some rest when you rest, and this is very important for your brain's function. So please, please, please try to get enough sleep every day. Okay, well, good job. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for listening to the video today. I hope you learned something. I hope it was useful. And take care. See you next time. Goodbye.